Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And right here you can get a better British accent. Okay, so now let's look at weak forms in connected speech. And what I want you to do is look at the following list of words. A, an, been, can, for, have, of, the, was and were. Now these are some of the most common words in English. As they are so common, they have weak forms, mostly featuring the schwa sound. That is to say that there are two ways of saying these words. One as just individual words, and the other is when you use the words in full sentences or in conversations, for example. I was going for a walk. And now is the perfect time to talk about the schwa sound. The schwa sound is the most common sound in English. You pronounce it It is so popular that it even has a mysterious name. The schwa. You can hardly hear a word or sentence being said without someone using a schwa sound. That is because it features in unstressed words and syllables. If you understand when to use it, you'll sound much more like a native speaker of English. And what you say will sound more natural in connected speech. In other words, the schwa is the most important sound in English. Here's a good joke about the schwa. I want to be a schwa. It's never stressed. Haha. Plus, give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Thank you and stay connected.